Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Let's see where SNX Synthetics will go right now after having this huge pump up over the last days. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. Only 50 people can join in and you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Only 50 because I don't have the time for more and I want to give everyone the time needed, right? So you get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and many more. And join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. We are a community that grows together and we help each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go now to the technical analysis, and you can see here that we are having some support levels in case we correct a little bit more, but we stand strong. We still stay strong, guys. Even when Bitcoin corrects, we are not correcting, and this is due to SNX Bitcoin chart. We will see that later. For now, making the 13.6 as support level will get us to 15 Tether USD, around there, 15.5 to 15. Okay, so we have this area of resistance level. In case we make this as support level, we have some minor support levels. In case we correct, you can see the 11.7 to 8, 10.5 and 9.7, around there, 9.65 actually, I will be more precise. So we go to one more, but this is for later, the 8.6, but we won't analyze it further. Let's see the little bit the MACD. You can see that although the MACD is going down, the price is going higher. The same happens with the volume. You can see the volume is decreasing, but the price is going higher. Be careful a little bit about that. You can see also the RSI is decreasing while the price is going higher. So we have a bearish RSI divergence right here. Commodity channel is above the 100 on the short term, but we don't care when we are having an impulsive wave. But we care about patterns. We care about bearish RSI divergence, for example, where we have lower highs in the RSI and higher highs in the price. You can see the 20-day MA is above the 50-day MA. We are finding sometimes support level in the 50-day support here, guys, in the 50-day MA. And you can see that the stochastic RSI was in an overbought situation. Now it tends to go inside the 20, between 20 and 80, inside this purple zone right here, as you can see. So let's go now to the SNX on the daily frame. You can see when we're having an impulsive wave, we are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands and we don't care, right? Because in a normal market, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we care a lot and we might have a correction, okay? Same happens, the opposite actually happens when we are approaching the bottom line. Like here, for example, we have a swing high, or like here, we are having a swing high. You can see on a normal market, when we approach the top line, we are going down. The top line again, we are going down again. So in the previous impulsive wave, you can see that we didn't care for SNX, and of course right now we are having the same. So according to the Bollinger Bands, we can't find anything, but if we go to the SL hybrid, we might have we had a buying opportunity here, we had a selling opportunity here, and we don't have a buying opportunity yet, but the price is going upwards. So the SL hybrid managed to find a very nice buying opportunity right there, but failed on when to short our position. It failed though, but we could have a very nice profit, so it didn't fail for me, right? 83% is very high. Congratulations to the SL hybrid, found a very nice buying opportunity right here, the indicator. And of course right now, let's go a little bit to the RSI on the daily frame. You can see that the RSI is going above 70, near 70. So you can see that right now we are approaching the 70 number. Here we go, the price label. As you can see, this is the top before we go into an overbought situation. And on the daily frame, we are still between 30 and 70, so we don't have any overbought situation, guys. On the daily frame for SNX, on the commodity channel index, we are having an overbought situation. And of course, you can see the MACD is increasing all the way. It's looking so strong, guys. Perfectly fine. The stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation for quite some time right now. Same with the commodity channel index, actually, a little bit beyond. It is actually in an overbought situation a little bit earlier than the commodity channel index from 30 June, and the commodity channel index is from 5 July, around there, 4 July, around there. So according to the RSI, we can't even grow more, guys. And let's see right now the SNX Bitcoin chart, because this is the key level here. That's why we are going upwards, because we are having this impulsive wave, and we are just outperforming Bitcoin, guys. And you can see that the RSI, we are having the head here of the RSI, and now we want to see whether we can go on the 4-hour frame even above the 70 again or not. Okay, it would be very, very good if we can go even higher. Everything looks fine except the bearish RSI divergence here too, with higher highs in the price and lower highs in the RSI. Stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, the commodity channel index as well, and the RSI almost in an overbought situation. So you can see that we are having a risk, although in an impulsive wave it doesn't matter, we should be really careful. On the daily frame, we had a very nice bullish cross here, guys, between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. We are hoping that we might get a little bit higher in the price so we can get this distance further, right? The 20-day MA has to go above the 50-day MA with a further distance. So right there you can see that on the RSI we are above the 70. We have an overbought situation. That doesn't happen with the Tether USD, but on the SNX Bitcoin chart we have an overbought situation. So you have to be careful. Same with the commodity channel index, same with the stochastic RSI. So everything, guys, is going good, but we are having a high risk involved. So let's go now and talk about the possibilities of getting higher. This is a little bit upwards. Here we go. This is better right now. You can see that the 15 Tether USD around there we can reapproach by the time we make the 13.6 around there as a support level. By the time we make this support level, probably we are going to 15 to 15.5, right? And this is a very nice swing trade. You can have there almost 10% on 15 and almost 15% on 15.5. So a very nice swing trade you can have in case we make this as support level. It looks very strong, guys. I won't lie to you, it looks very strong. Even when Bitcoin crashes down, you can see here on the 4-hour frame candle we are going down. It is because of the commodity channel index being in an overbought situation, but SNX doesn't care, because SNX is outperforming Bitcoin. That's what we want to see from a coin like this, to outperform Bitcoin. And guys, in case we just correct a little bit here, our first support level is around there. Of course, we have one minor support level in between this one right here, guys, actually around there. Okay, so we have the 12.4 as a minor support level, but in case we fall down a little bit more, then we are going down to 10.5, 11.7. Okay, but for now things are looking good for the SNX, but of course we have to be careful due to the RSI bearish divergence right here. Lower RSI but higher high in the price. But anyway, guys, I am more confident that we can go to 15 Tether USD rather than going down, okay, for now actually. And it looks good, it is looking good. But however, if you want to minimize the risk, I will repeat that again because it is very important. If you want to minimize the risk and say that, okay, I am now very good to trade right here, then we have to make the 13.6 as a support level to go around there in this price area right here, okay. So therefore, do not do something, not a financial advice, guys. Of course you can invest here for the long term. I'm just talking about the short term, okay. So for now, I would advise you to do something, but in case you won't, it's fine by me. It has many chances of going upwards, right? It has many chances of going upwards. I would say around 45% around there of going to the next price target, okay. So for me, it is a good number, maybe even more, guys, maybe more than 50%. But of course, in my opinion, guys, in my personality, I want to minimize the risk. That's my first priority, because in any cases you want to minimize the risk, because you might be lucky if you buy here, right here, and of course we go upwards, you might be lucky, but in any other case you might not, okay. So you want always to minimize the risk, to be safe on when to trade and then trade, okay. So for now, that's why I am saying that we make support level 13.6, although it is very possible to go to our next price target, the 15 Tether USD to 15.5. Okay, so our next price target is this one right here. I won't be talking about the 9.6 and 8.7 yet, because it is too early to talk about them. But always have it in your mind that if we go down to 11.7 and we stay here for a while and we jump again above, probably we might be going upwards again. Anyway, you can see the support levels in case something goes wrong right here, and you can have a buying opportunity around there, more money around 10.5, more around 9.6, and so on. As we dip, you want to buy more. Eventually, for now, if you don't want to buy and you want just to save your position, that's fine by me. If you want to swing trade when we make this a support level, that's fine also. I won't go much into the Bitcoin because you can see actually a very bearish candle on the 4-hour frame for Bitcoin, but SNX doesn't care. You can see that it is just having its moment against Bitcoin right now, and it doesn't care at all what Bitcoin will do. We are at 33,500 for Bitcoin. We approached the number we talked about in the previous video, and for now SNX still holds perfectly fine this price level, this price area right here. You can see it was the previous high. We still hold this level right here, and of course guys, we just look strong. Thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below to get easy profits. Only 50 people can join in. Join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.